Hi, it's Megan from Dreamy Bag Hardware. Today I want to show you how to make one of these using all the little parts. So a zipper slider with a loop thingy and a hook and a pull. Stay tuned. Hi, so here we are. We've got all our bits and bobs. So we've got a ready-made one, and then we've got all the parts that we need so that we can assemble it. So this is going to go like this. So we're going to have the slider, then the hook, and then the charm. Now we're going to use our two Dreamy pliers like these because they haven't got teeth on them, so they're nice and smooth. Now I'll show you how to disassemble one to start with. So we're going to hold it on the side here, and that is going to be nice and loose. Then we're going to get our second pair and we're going to pop it in through here and just gently lift a touch and it'll fall out like so. So you don't need to lift it much at all, hardly anything. And then to get your charm off, you see one side's not joined, so you just lightly, not too much, pull it up. Now if this was rainbow, you would see if you pull it up too much the rainbow coating comes off, so don't pull it up much at all. You only need enough just to be able to pull your charm out. So that's like that. Now we're going to show you how to put it back on. So they are going to turn up to you like that. They are going to be closed, so you just carefully do the same but backwards. So you hold one there, you very carefully lift it up, you pop your little hook loop in and around, and then you grab these and then you squish down like so, and then you've got, I tend to put them so that the loop is towards the bottom. So there's our hook on there, and then you're going to pop your charm in like so, and then you're just going to grab your pliers again and you're going to squish it shut, and that's how you assemble your own zip pull.